Welcome to my channel, and in this video we're going to learn how to do the reverse reverb sound effect. Alright, now I already have an audio file here, which is basically me just saying,
You are listening to the greatest hits of all time.
and what we're going to do is we're going to add the reverse reverb effect. Now as you can see, I got a little bit of space here, and we want to silence everything that's in here, and to make sure that we don't have no small audio frequencies in here, all we're going to do is go up here to this little circle bar, go all the way down, and that will lower everything in this that I have here selected. Next, we're going to go to the end and do the same thing. Now, there's a reason why I have so much space here, which is going to be another trick that we're going to do in a couple of seconds. Now, if you want to add more space, usually just what I do is highlight this, and then I hit Command C, and then I put Command V, and I can give myself some more silence there. And again, just to make sure, we're going to highlight it, and then put all these dBs all the way to the bottom. Okay, now, what we're going to work with is this area here. Now, there's several ways that people do it, and I'm going to show you all the various ways that we can play around with this little bit of audio file here. Now, the first thing we want to do is, of course, reverse it. Once we reverse it, I've seen a lot of people select this whole thing, and then here they add the reverb. But the way that I like it is just here in the end. Just this little piece right here. We're going to go all the way to the end, and then in this little piece, we're going to add, of course, the key effect, which is the reverb. And we're going to hit Studio Reverb, and then we're going to hit the medium. Studio Reverb medium. Now, it all depends on everybody's taste. You can add a lot, or you can add a little bit of reverb. Of course, you know how they say less is more. So we're going to add, just for now, for this instance, we're going to add the vocal reverb medium. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and click apply, and you can see it added the reverb there. But if you can see, it kind of took it down just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to raise it up just a little bit right there. And what I like to do is just this end piece, just the end piece, I like to raise it up just a little bit as well. You don't have to, I like doing it. Now what we're going to do is select the whole thing, and then we're going to reverse it, which gives us the reverse reverb. Now you can hear how it enters.
You are listening to the greatest hits of all time.
That sounds sweet. Now what I'm going to do is give myself, again, some more space on this end. Okay, so all I need to do is copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V. There we go. Then we're going to highlight the whole thing, and this is something that I've seen a lot of people do, which I think is really cool. So again, if you want to leave it just like that,
You are listening to the greatest hits of all time.
that's cool. But just to add a little bit more, you can select the whole entire file. Then we're going to add a little echo. How about that? Then we're going to add the, yes, is this one right here, the whispers. Then you're going to add apply. And this is just for more added effect. And then we're going to get this little square box here, which is the fade out. And we're just going to curl it a little bit right there. And then it gives you a little bit more of effect.
You are listening to the greatest hits of all time. The greatest hits of all time. The greatest hits of all time.
And that's how you do the reverse reverb using Adobe Audition. If you'd like to learn more effects, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also you can comment here on this video and let me know what else, what other effect you would like me to teach you and give a tutorial on here on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. And remember, comment in the video if you like it.